We've all felt that sinking feeling, the moment you realize something's wrong in your kitchen. When the fridge goes dark, it's more than just a minor inconvenience. It's a disruption to your daily life. At first, you might just be annoyed. Maybe you're searching for a midnight snack or prepping breakfast for the kids. But soon, reality sets in. Your food and your hard-earned money are suddenly at risk. Every hour counts. According to the USDA, a full freezer can keep food safely cold for up to 48 hours if you don't open the door. That's your best-case scenario. But your fridge, it only buys you about 4 hours before things start to warm up and spoil. After that, it's a race against time, and most of us lose. The clock is ticking, and your groceries are on the line. Think about what's in there. Steaks, fresh produce, leftovers from last night's dinner. Chicken, milk, cheese, yogurt, condiments, foods you rely on every day, all at risk of going bad. For a typical family, that's $500 to $800 worth of groceries, sometimes even more, depending on your weekly shop. When the power's out for days, you're not just tossing spoiled food. You're literally throwing away cash, and it adds up fast. Power outages aren't rare. Storms, overloaded grids, or even a scorching summer day can leave you in the dark with no warning. Every time, families face the same ritual. Open the fridge, hope for the best, and start tossing what's gone bad. It's wasteful, expensive, and feels totally out of your control. No one wants to see their hard work and money go to waste. We have smart tech everywhere. Phones, thermostats, even doorbells. But a simple power failure still beats us at the fridge. The usual fix? A big noisy gas generator humming away outside. But that's loud, needs constant fuel, and is overkill if all you want is to keep your food safe and cold. There's a smarter, quieter, and more practical way, one that doesn't involve gasoline, fumes, or endless noise. Imagine a solution that keeps your essentials cold, quietly and efficiently, so you never have to worry about spoiled food again. It's time to rethink how we protect our food and our wallets when the lights go out. There's a better way. Let's look at a better way to keep your fridge running, no matter what happens outside your door. Because losing your groceries shouldn't be part of losing power. There's a smarter solution waiting for you. That big stainless steel fridge in your kitchen? It's an energy monster, quietly guzzling electricity day and night, even when you're not thinking about it. It runs 24/7, cooling a huge space, and every time you open the door, cold air escapes and the compressor works overtime just to bring the temperature back down. Even a quick peek inside means more work for your fridge. Add in ice makers, water dispensers, and digital displays, all sipping power. These features might seem convenient, but they add up, increasing your fridge's energy appetite. The real kicker? When the compressor starts, it draws a huge surge, sometimes 5 times its normal power. That spike can strain your home's electrical system, especially during outages. To back it up, you'd need a massive, expensive generator or battery system just to handle that surge. It's not just about running the fridge, but handling those power spikes. Most of the time, you're cooling empty space and a bunch of condiments. All that energy just to keep a few bottles cold seems wasteful, doesn't it? Running your main fridge on a generator is noisy, inefficient, and a hassle. You'll burn through fuel fast, and the noise can be a real headache. Instead of powering the whole beast, what if you focused only on what's essential? You could save energy, money, and stress during an outage. There's a smarter way. Use appliances designed for efficiency from the ground up. Compact, energy-saving fridges or solar-powered models can keep your essentials cool without draining your backup power. That's where the real savings and peace of mind begin. Lower bills, less stress, and a backup plan that actually works for you. Let's rethink the backup strategy and make your home truly resilient. Here's the smart move. Pair a mini fridge with a chest freezer. This combo gives you flexibility and peace of mind, whether you're living in a small apartment, a family home, or even setting up an off-grid cabin. These appliances are built for efficiency. No fancy extras, just cold storage. They're compact, reliable, and easy to fit into almost any space, making them perfect for backup or everyday use. Chest freezers are especially efficient. Open the lid, and cold air stays put, so the compressor works less. That means less energy wasted and more money saved over time. Pack it with meat, veggies, and staples. It sips power. You can stock up on sales, freeze leftovers, and always have food security, even if the power goes out. The mini fridge is your go-to for daily essentials: milk, eggs, meds, drinks. It's perfect for keeping what you need most right at hand, without running a big fridge all day. Energy Star mini fridges use a fraction of the power of a full-size fridge. They're designed to be energy misers, so you can keep things cool without worrying about your electric bill. By separating frozen and fresh items, you maximize efficiency and minimize waste. It's easier to organize, and you'll always know what you have on hand. During an outage, your big fridge becomes an insulated box. Leave it shut. That way, you keep the cold in and buy yourself precious time before anything spoils. Your essentials stay safe in the solar-powered mini fridge and chest freezer. Even when the grid goes down, you've got a reliable backup for your most important food and medicine. It's not prepping for doomsday, it's just smart, practical planning. You're ready for anything, from a blackout to a busy week. You get control, save money, and keep what matters most cold. Prepared, not paranoid, just making life a little easier and a lot more secure. So how do you keep your mini fridge and chest freezer running when the grid fails? Solar power. You don't need a rooftop full of panels, just a small dedicated system. 3 parts: solar panels to capture energy, a battery to store it, and an inverter to power your appliances. The sun charges your battery by day. You use that energy whenever you need it. A deep cycle battery can run your efficient appliances through the night. The inverter converts battery power to standard electricity. Plug in, and you're set. No gas, no noise, no hassle. Just reliable, silent power. When storms hit, your food stays cold and your mind stays calm. It's practical, proven tech. No wizardry required. Let's talk numbers. A big kitchen fridge can use up to 2,000 watt-hours a day. A chest freezer and mini fridge together? Around 700 watt-hours. That's less than half the energy. And why a small solar setup works. Powering a big fridge with solar is expensive and complicated, but with efficient appliances, a single battery and a couple of panels do the job. You save hundreds by not tossing spoiled food after every outage, and you can even cut your electric bill by running these on solar every day. Over time, the savings add up, turning emergency prep into a smart investment. One food-saving event can pay for much of the system. It's not just about emergencies, it's about everyday savings. Smart, simple, and cost-effective. Building your solar backup is easier than you think. Start with a quality battery, AGM or gel for reliability, or upgrade to lithium for longer life. Budget option? Flooded lead-acid batteries work, but need maintenance. For solar panels, 200-300 watts is plenty. Used panels save money. New ones are more efficient. Don't forget mounting hardware. You'll need a solar charge controller, PWM for basic setups, MPPT for more efficiency. The inverter should be pure sine wave, sized for your appliance's startup surge. 1,000 watts is usually enough. Avoid cheap modified sine wave inverters. They can damage motors. Add wiring, connectors, and fuses for safety. Scale the system to your needs and budget. It's a one-time setup that pays off every time the power goes out. Simple components, big peace of mind. Gear is only half the battle. You need to know food safety rules. The USDA's 4-hour rule. If your fridge is above 40 degrees for more than 2 hours, toss perishables. Freezers hold temp for 24-48 hours if you keep the door shut. Appliance thermometers are essential. Know your temps, don't guess. When power returns, check. If food is below 40 degrees or has ice crystals, it's safe to refreeze. If it's thawed and above 40 degrees for 2 hours, throw it out. When in doubt, throw it out. Don't risk your health to save a few bucks. With a backup system, you avoid the guessing game and keep your food safe. Protect your wallet and your family's health. Smart prep means no more food safety roulette. Want to get the most from your solar fridge setup? Here's how. Place your appliances in the coolest spot. Basement or insulated garage is best. Leave space around them for airflow. It helps them run efficiently. Before a storm, pre-cool your fridge and freezer. Turn them to the coldest setting. Keep them full. If needed, use frozen water jugs to stabilize temps. Move ice blocks to the mini fridge during outages to keep it cold. Manage your battery. Conserve power during long outages. Use a timer. A full chest freezer may only need to run a few hours a day. Test your system before an emergency. Run it on solar for a weekend. Find weak spots and learn your gear. Practice now, so you're ready when it counts. Confidence comes from knowing your system works. Peace of mind is priceless. Backup refrigeration isn't just about saving food, it can be life-saving. Millions rely on medications like insulin that must stay cold. A long outage can turn a manageable condition into an emergency. Other meds, breast milk, and even business inventory depend on reliable cold storage. For families, new parents, and small business owners, losing refrigeration means more than spoiled groceries. A solar-powered mini-fridge protects your essentials, meds, milk, and more. It's not about living normally during an outage. It's about protecting what matters most. This small investment builds real resilience. It removes stress and safeguards your family's health. When the grid fails, you're ready. That's modern survival. Practical, simple, and smart.